Get strong.
Hello everyone. Today we will talk about one of the best places to visit for holiday destinations, Colorado. Colorado is a year-round destination that piques the imagination and inspires the soul with its dramatic landscape and natural beauty. The state is nothing less than stunning, with a diversity that ranges from the majestic Rocky Mountains to the rolling hills, beautiful lakes of Colorado. Mountain towns beacon skiers, hikers, climbers, mountain bikers, and outdoor enthusiasts of all types, but are also great places to soak up some tranquility and enjoy the mountain vibes. Remnants of the cultures that inhabited the area and the dinosaurs that once roamed the land can be seen and better understood by visiting some of the national parks and monuments. Colorado is an unbeatable destination that will make you rethink your future travel plans. Get a start on your itinerary with our list of the best places to visit in Colorado. Number 1. Colorado Springs. Colorado Springs is situated in the eastern wing of the Rocky Mountains. One of the best Colorado Spring attractions is easy yet beautiful trekking trails that would change perspective. Also around these spring travelers would see many gorges and the Garden of Gods, which are a must visit. Best time to visit: March to May and September to October. Number 2. Black Canyon of the Gunnison. Black Canyon is beautiful and one of the best places to visit in Colorado. It hosts a 2,700 feet deep gorge, which is the highlight of this place. Thousands of years ago, this area was formed by the erosion caused by the river Gunnison. This place is great for hiking, and one could see up to 10 km of the canyon if travelers stand on the South Rim Road. Best time to visit November till mid-April. Number 3. Denver. Denver is one of the top places to visit in Colorado. It is nicknamed as the Mile High City since the height of this city is 1 mile from the sea level. This is the largest city in all of Colorado and embodies the spirit of Colorado. This place is great for winter sports and has a great display of art and culture. Denver is a must visit in Colorado to get to know the spirit of Colorado. Best time to visit May to October. Number 4. Mesa Verde. This is a very interesting location in Colorado. Mesa Verde is a cave turned into house settlement. It is also one of the prominent pieces in the history of Native Americans. The house made in these caves were made back in the 12th century by the Anasazi tribe. They later migrated from here as it has started causing pressure on the people of the Anasazi. This is surely one of the top places to visit in Colorado. Best time to visit May to September. Number 5. Garden of the Gods. If any travelers like to see the wonders of nature, then the Garden of Gods is the best place for them. It is a park that has naturally balanced rocks that gain height up to 300 feet from Earth. This rough and barren looking land with colorful rock formations just creates a dramatic look which will leave travelers in awe. Best time to visit May to October. Number 6. Silverton Narrow Gauge Railway. Take a ride back to history in the historic train of the Silverton Narrow Gorge in Durango. It is a 500-mile ride in which travelers can choose a sizable distance according to their need and enjoy a ride in the steam engine trains that are long just now. This is one of the biggest Colorado tourist attractions and is a must visit. Best time to visit July to September. Number 7. Maroon Bells-Snowmass Wilderness. Maroon Bells-Snowmass is a jaw-dropping scenic sight that cannot be missed. It is one of the best places to visit in Colorado. This location is filled with alpine forests, lakes, and beautiful mountains, making it a perfect place to spend any holiday. This is also a paradise for hikers as it has many trails to enjoy. Best time to visit mid-June to early October. Number 8. Manitoba Springs. Manitoba Springs is a town located at the foot of the Pikes Peak. It is a beautiful small town which acts as a gateway to the Pikes Peak. Travelers can also take the Pikes Peak Cog Railway and enjoy the highest cog train ride. This place is famous for skiing. It is one of the best things to do in Colorado. Best time to visit March to May and September to October. Number 9. Rocky Mountain National Park. This is one of the most popular places to visit in Colorado. This park covers some of the majestic mountains of the Rocky Mountain Range. These mountains range from 7,500 feet to 12,000 feet. This is a gorgeous national park giving visitors a refreshing breath of air. Here travelers will find a great variety of flora and fauna. Best time to visit late May to early September. Number 10. Greeley. Greeley is the best place to visit in Colorado for foodies. It is a small town filled with farms which will give fresh produce and breweries with creating amazing drinks. Travelers can also dine in folk to farm-style restaurants. The town is very relaxing and is a great stress buster from the busy city life. It also has plenty of art galleries that showcase some great artwork. Best time to visit June to mid-August. Colorado is a beautiful place and it has many gems that must be visited. It has a very rough and rocky kind of feel to it. Yet these rock formations are marvelous and must be visited. So do visit it. Subscribe to my channel, do share and like this video.